What's up, guys? This is Mlow. I'm here today in the studio wanting to share one of my projects that I've had that I've not yet really technically paid attention to yet or put it out there. So today I want to introduce you the 3D printed travel putter that I've created, Golf's Point 3D travel putter. And this is all 3D top right here, all printed. And if you see, it's nice and super clean. Check that out, nice and clean. I was able to brand it. But the fun thing is about this is that it's a travel putter. You see how small it is, but it does expand to a full-size putter. And I've already been taking this out. The weight is beautiful on it. People are excited. You could just hear that. I mean, you hear how hard that is. And we're super excited to be able to share this with you, and I want to be able to share a video with you as well. So I'm going to put a video up, and I hope you like that. And if you're interested and you would like to buy one of these putters, guess what? You could buy it today. It's going to be on sale for $99 right now today. Regular price is $160 because that's what I'm asking for this. Travel putter, $160 is the regular price, but today you could be able to get it for $99 plus shipping and handling. But you're gonna have a unique putter that nobody else has, and it does come with a free bag as well to cover. It's actually a cover, but it serves as a bag as well, and you could be able to just drop it in there, and that's your cover. And then you zip it up, and there you go. That's your cover for your putter. And it fits right into the, you could take it anywhere with you. I've put 6 of these, actually more than that, in my luggage, and I flew all the way to Florida to showcase it at this men's conference. And here you today can own one of these beautiful, I figured, why not? I put it out there. I don't have an Etsy page yet. I've been wanting to work on that, and I will work on it. And I'm not on Facebook Market either, or any of the big ones like Amazon or anything like that. But if you message me on my Instagram, you'll be able to, and I'm going to put the link down below. You'll be able to buy one of these for $99, and that's the deal going on right now. Absolutely beautiful. You could, any size, even a young one could be able to take out this putter and then have really good a putting game, because this putter is also a system. So if you look here, you have a big arrow that points to the center of that ball. And what that does, it helps you find your line, even a longer line, so that when you put it down, you could be able to kind of have a good visual of where you want to be able to hit that ball and try to find the line. So I'm excited about it. Many people are excited about it. And if you're interested, leave a comment down below. If you want to ask more questions, please leave a comment. If you like what you're seeing, please smash that subscribe button. Look, folks, I'm trying to do like what everybody else is doing out there, is trying to survive. Okay, I got my babies back there, and yes, they do a great job, and I have to find my niche, and I feel that this is my niche. A Spanish dude, a Puerto Rican guy like me, going to try to get into the golf industry as well with a 3D printed putter that I'm probably producing. But this is not the only one that we have in this style. We also have what we call the hammer. Now this is how it looks without it here. You see that? This is called the hammer. And the hammer is actually a really fun one because of the shape of it. You see that? And yep, check that out. Golf Point got the GP on there. There you go, GP. And I'm really excited about this one as well. We have this in the club already, and you can be able to pick the same one up. So we got 2 models today that are $99. I do have about 2 other models that we are going to be introducing as well, possibly maybe in the next episode. We'll see. But these are all you're not gonna find this anywhere else. Basically, I designed it myself, and it's super fun, super cool, super lightweight, as far as being able to travel with it. You could put it in your luggage today, which I'm really I did it already. And I even went to Puerto Rico. I did all that, and I took my putters with me, and guess what? They're perfect. So you can take them anywhere with you, and I love the fact that this also expands. So folks, again, thank you again for this small little episode here. I just wanted to share with you some of the things that I'm doing to try to make it out there. And I do have actually these in a different color as well. So let me show you what that looks like in a different color. Okay, so here we go. I also have it in this really nice gold tone as well. So if you see that, it's in a really nice gold tone. Shines. It's very durable. It's, you see that, the golf point there, see that? And so same thing, it expands. Ooh, yeah, check that out. Different color. Boom, look at that. That looks pretty sleek. You're gonna find that on, look at that little shine right there. You see that? And that's gonna be your putter on the greens, folks. And you could be able to putt really nice with this. I've had this tested out. Many people, they laughed at it. They're like, what in the world is that you're bringing? Because I bring it out like this, and then I expand it right in front of them, and then they freak out, right? And so that, I love the reaction to it. But more importantly, the putter is a really good putter. And you'll be surprised on how well you'll be able to hit that ball so straight and so right on into the hole. And you could be able to pick up one of these again for $99. And if you are interested, please again, leave a comment down below. We'll connect, and we'll figure out how we could be able to put one in your hands today. And again, thank you again, guys. This is Mlow's 3D printing business, and I hope you like what we're doing here. And please check out the other episodes that we got. Show some love. Thank you again. Bye now.